Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Whether you're a seasoned baker, a kitchen novice, or someone who simply loves to indulge in homemade treats, the cordless hand mixer is your secret ingredient for effortless mixing and blending. In this episode, we'll explore the freedom, convenience, and versatility of the cordless hand mixer, uncovering how it revolutionizes your baking experience by eliminating the hassle of cords and providing the flexibility to mix anywhere in the kitchen. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of the cordless hand mixer on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1.
Take mixing to a whole new level of professional performance and cordless convenience with the Cuisinart Evolution X cordless hand mixer. 5 variable speeds with LED display controls allow you to perform any mixing task quickly and efficiently with a quick 2-hour charge for 20 minutes of continuous runtime. The compact yet powerful mixer has removable beaters for whipping cream, beating eggs, mixing batter, and more. The rechargeable 7.4-volt lithium-ion battery won't lose its charge over time and is powerful enough to work through cookie dough. A 3-foot removable USB cable port allows you to move around the kitchen with ease. When the hand mixer is not in use, the heel rest allows the mixer to rest upright. Create delectable breakfast, desserts, and crowd-pleasing sides with the textured grip handle, which creates stress-free comfort and control during mixing. The removable beaters are dishwasher safe and designed with no center post to prevent ingredients from clogging up the beaters. Enjoy the ease of cooking with the Cuisinart Evolution X cordless hand mixer.
Number 2. Experience cordless convenience in your kitchen with the Chefman cordless hand mixer. Enjoy up to 25 minutes of uninterrupted blending power on each charge, allowing you to move freely without being tethered by cords. Tailor your mixing experience with 7 variable speeds, ensuring the perfect consistency for all your baking endeavors. The automatic slow start feature minimizes splatters, keeping your kitchen cleaner during food preparation. From delicate cake batters to thick cookie dough, this mixer offers powerful mixing capabilities for a variety of culinary tasks. Its versatility makes it suitable for any recipe, whether you need a cake mixer or a dough mixer. Stay informed about battery levels with the color-changing LED light ring, providing at a glance visibility of the charge status. Never worry about running out of power mid-mix again. Enjoy the freedom and efficiency of the Chefman cordless hand mixer in your kitchen. Number 3. Experience unparalleled convenience and versatility in your kitchen with the KitchenAid cordless 7-speed hand mixer. With a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, enjoy optimal run time and performance, allowing you to make up to 200 cookies on a full charge. The battery indicator light ensures you're always aware of the battery status, signaling when it's time to recharge. Charging is effortless with the included convenient charger, compatible with all products across the suite. Achieve quick charging in just 10 minutes, ensuring you're always ready to stir up your favorite recipes when following recommended battery maintenance. Designed for ease of use, this hand mixer stands on its own, lifting the beaters out of the bowl and workspace. With 7 speeds, from slow stir to high-speed whipping, you can effortlessly stir, mix, and whip a variety of ingredients. The soft start feature gradually brings the beaters up to the selected speed, preventing splattering. Enhance your culinary experience with additional cordless KitchenAid products, including the cordless 5-cup food chopper and variable speed hand blender, each sold separately. Experience the ultimate convenience in your kitchen with the VOVGUU cordless hand mixer. Its cordless design allows it to stand on its own, lifting the beaters out of the bowl and workspace, freeing you from tangled power cords for enhanced convenience. With a rechargeable 6,000 mAh battery and Type-C charger port, enjoy up to 60 minutes of running time on a full charge. The 7 speeds, displayed on a digital screen, cater to all your mixing needs, from slow stirring to high-speed whipping, ensuring precise control over your recipes. Safety is prioritized with the ability to start at the first speed, minimizing splattering of ingredients. Plus, the included storage base stand keeps the hand mixer and accessories organized and easily accessible, preventing loss and streamlining your kitchen setup. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficient mixing with the VOVGUU cordless hand mixer. Number 5. Experience the freedom of baking with the kitchen-in-the-box cordless hand mixer. Powered by a safe and durable lithium-ion battery, enjoy over 1 hour of continuous mixing on a full charge. Its rechargeable design offers flexibility while baking, with a comfortable rubber ring handle and an upright base that keeps countertops clean. With 6-speed control and a convenient knob design, this electric mixer effortlessly handles various batters, creams, and egg whites. The included stainless steel turbo beaters ensure thorough mixing, creating light and fluffy baked goods. Plus, the attachment set also includes 2 whisks for versatile mixing options. Cleanup is a breeze as the beaters are dishwasher safe, while the whisks can be easily washed with water. Designed for convenience and efficiency, the kitchen-in-the-box cordless hand mixer is your go-to tool for all your baking needs.